Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the shopping website AI. So is have to upload two different images, and this will be the image merging app where it will merge both the outfits. Like just click on the merge images. The model will load and it will process the images. It will take little bit time. If you are searching any project ideas, you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. We are working on multiple domains like Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, Android, Java, web development. So if you need any help in that particular domains, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in descriptions. Okay, and this project interface developed using Django web framework. Now you can see it merges both the outfits and convert it to the single outfit. So this will be the output section. This will be the merge image. Okay, let's scroll up. So these are the input images and this will be the output, which will be the merge image. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.